Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the basic prerequisites, latest TikTok and comment access. Once done, open the target video and tap the comment field. Instead of typing, tap the sticker icon when it appears. Some accounts see a small square or emoji button. Tap that to open the sticker tray, then choose a sticker or GIF. You're not posting yet. This first step prepares the actual sticker for placement. Make sure your app is updated if the icon is missing. Now you'll fine-tune the sticker itself. Browse the categories to find a GIF or sticker that matches your tone. Trending packs often get more attention. Once selected, pinch to resize and drag to position within the comment preview. This controls visibility and emphasis. If TikTok supports overlays, add short text, but keep it succinct. Once satisfied, review how it reads with the video context. If you want layered effects, add a second sticker and adjust order before posting. You're ready to finish. Tap send to post your sticker comment so others can see it under the video. If posting fails, first try clearing TikTok cache and restarting the app because temporary glitches often block sticker uploads. If that doesn't help, reinstall the app and check for account or region restrictions. Finally, use TikTok support to report a missing sticker feature. Include device, app version, and a short description. This helps them troubleshoot and potentially restore the capability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.